make sure we measure it out. There it is. All right, so you remove this screw, and then we're gonna take this piece that faces back. What we're gonna do is align these parts with this indentation. Lift it up slightly. Try to get it back in there exactly where it is. Get the screw aligned. Right, now it's back. And then similarly, we're gonna go grab the clips that we talked about earlier. Move some stuff back in here quickly. I think the clips are in the bag. It's one of the clips. So there's two clips as well. Same approach. The side that bends goes in the inside. Now you'll see that it's going to be loose, and let me see if there's going to be thick enough on this part. Yeah, we're going to have to see how we can during test fit. There. There. So this part is a little loose, but don't worry in the sense that the bottom, the screw is what's really going to hold this in place. We're going to go ahead and quickly install the other ones. The other methodology that you could choose to do is you can screw it directly in because there are holes. Since we're only test fitting right now, we're just going to go ahead and go around and test fit the other slots. The similar mentality. Go ahead and put this in. So again, there's one screw on the bottom. It's a one, wait. And then this is the part where you have to align it. Because the bottom part moves a little bit. The clip's very sensitive on the bottom. I'll tell you that. But sometimes if you get lucky, you might just get it right back into the thread. Whereas, see, where the other one took at least a 2 minutes, this one took considerably less. I'll go back in with the clip. Make sure it bends in. Get that nice clip in. And make sure, oops, sorry. Yeah. Back part is nice and sturdy. We're gonna turn that around. Thank you. This, I don't even have to take this off. This here. And off it goes. Put this back on. Again, I said earlier, if you were to screw, you would screw in directly here on these little holes. But we're gonna go ahead and just use clips for now. Make sure these clips are bend it in a little bit. Make sure to help with the tightness. All right. So there you go. Let's go ahead, walk around, take a look at the install. I know the car comes naturally with allegedly some mud flaps, but I don't think they're really mud flaps. These are really what the mud flap looks like. So yeah, there's no drilling required. There you go.